Welcome to Hiland Toyota, and take a look at one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with smart device integration, navigation, trailer wiring harness, electronic transfer case, auto-dimming rear view mirror, HD radio, four-wheel drive, driver monitoring, tow hooks, privacy glass, and much more. Family-owned Hiland Toyota has been proudly serving the Quad Cities since 1967. We have a state-of-the-art showroom and superior service center, along with hundreds of vehicles to choose from for every budget with great financing and warranty options. Plus, Hiland Toyota will pay top dollar for your trade. Visit our friendly and knowledgeable staff today in our dealership on John Deere Road and 53rd Street, Moline, or online at hilandtoyota.com. We've got the inventory.